everybody. Today we're going to unbox the Quadrone Maximus. There it is. It's got a lot of features on here, but one of them really stood out to me, so that's the one I want to check out. It says 720 HD camera, auto return, headless mode, flips, and right here, flies for over 20 minutes on one battery. I don't know about all that, but I'm a little skeptical, let's put it that way. Okay, so I'm a little leery of that claim. 20 minutes is, you know, that's a pretty long time. So let's dive in. There's the manual. There's the quadcopter. Nice color to it. Looks cool. Has a little bit of beef to it. Let's get the other box out so I can get rid of this big box here. Okay, here's the bag. There's the transmitter, which is nice because it's laid out. You know, they have the labels on there. It's got the photo, the video, the flip, and this rate button right here. I think this has 4 rates actually, not 3 like normal. This one has 4. And then here's the on and off switch right here. So it has that. And in here is your standard, you know, your standard fare. It's a charger, USB charger. The camera with a micro SD card slot on there, which I like those. It's that way you don't have to use an app. No app needed, no Wi-Fi to interrupt your transmission signal. So that probably won't be an issue. It most likely won't fly crappy. I'm almost willing to bet it flies decent because there's not going to be any Wi-Fi interference on the camera. It's got a little screwdriver for doing the stuff. Oh, it actually gives you the micro SD card here because they give you a reader, which I have like 500 of those, right? Who don't? And here's the 4 GB card that they give you. So that's good. And it's one of those, you know, the spring-loaded jobbers, so I like those better. They seem to, you know, it doesn't seem to ever dislodge or anything like that. Those kind of the ones that they wedge them in there, those aren't as good as the spring-loaded ones. Those seem to work out a little bit better. But anyway, you know, there's not a lot to it, but here's the part I want to see. Is the battery, because for 20 minutes of flight time there better be some kind of good battery in here. It's a 7.4 1000. Okay, this actually looks just like the Quadrone tumbler cam that I had. It's just that it's beefed up with a bigger battery. I mean, usually quadcopters that are this size, like this, usually only have like a 500 or a 600 in them. You know, I think the original Quadrone one I had the tumble cam had like a 500 in it or something like that. But this has a 1000, but I don't know about that 20 minutes. I'm real skeptical. Oh, another thing is it has an on and off switch on here, which I always like to have that. It's right here on the bottom, right there. It actually looks pretty decent. I mean, I'm going to lose these prop guards in a hurry. Okay, so these are going to go bye-bye right off the bat. Okay, so maybe if I take them off, I will get the 20 minutes. I don't know how you get them off, but I'm sure there's only one screw in each of them, so I'm sure the other pins there are just pressured in, you know, forced in. So yeah, they are. You just got to work it a little bit, that's all. So you take the screw out of the middle one, and then you just wedge on it and it'll pop out. So we're going to lose the prop guards and charge the battery up. Yeah, looks good, man. I mean, this thing is light as a feather without that battery in there. But we're going to take it out and try the 20 minutes. When I go do the test flight, I'm not going to drag the whole video out for 20 minutes. Once I get past like the 6 minutes or whatever, I'll speed it up. Okay? Keep the torture to a minimum. Okay? That's what we like to do. Keep the torture to a minimum. But I just have a feeling that this thing might fly decent. I could be wrong. I just have a feeling it will because of it not having that Wi-Fi interference. So, because you know, I've had a few quads that Wi-Fi really caused the problems with them. So, we'll see. All right, guys, that's it. The unboxing. I'll get it put together, get it charged up, and we'll get it out there. I think I'm going to probably go out Saturday and shoot a couple of videos because that JD20 came in again, my new one. So I'm going to be doing that. That came today, so I'll be unboxing that and getting that one out. But I just wanted to show you this. I got this cheap at Toys R Us. It was one of them end of the line Toys R Us deals. So I think this thing regularly went for like 99 bucks or something, but I didn't. I don't know what. I think I paid 30 something bucks for it. But it was, I mean, there was no way in hell I was going to pay $99 for this thing. You know, that wasn't going to happen, but I'm sure somebody did. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.